Hi, hello, namaste, welcome to SV Electronics. All my videos are available in 4 languages. Today I am going to change display in this TV. As you can see, this is Sony Bravia TV 32 inches. The display was broken. After removing display, reflector shield also broken in this TV. Now I am going to change the display. Display was changed, working fine, everything was working perfectly. If you have any problems like this, you can contact me. My contact link in description below. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.